The legend is back. And it's better than ever, after over a decade. The Mazda CX-7 returns with a jaw-dropping redesign. Turbocharged power and luxury that rivals premium brands. Buckle up, because the 2026 Mazda CX-7 is here to dominate the SUV game. The 2026 Mazda CX-7, a total reinvention. After years of waiting, Mazda has resurrected the CX-7 with bold new styling, cutting-edge tech, and serious performance. Let's break it down. Exterior. Aggressive and sleek. Striking Kodo design, sharp lines, a massive grille and sleek LED lighting. 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it a commanding road presence. Muscular rear end, dual exhausts and a sporty spoiler complete the look. Interior. Luxury meets tech. Premium cabin materials. Soft touch surfaces. Leather upholstery and refined finishes. 12.3-inch touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus intuitive controls. Advanced safety suite. Blind spot monitoring. Adaptive cruise and 360-degree cameras. Performance. Turbocharged thrills. 2.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder. 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet torque. Yes, it's quick. 8-speed automatic. Smooth shifts, whether you're cruising or pushing it. Available AWD for those who want extra grip in any condition. Pricing and trims. Is it worth it? Starts at $33,000. Great value for the features. Fully loaded, near $47,000, but you're getting near luxury quality. Who's it for? Families, daily commuters, or anyone who wants style plus substance. Final verdict, should you buy it? Mazda didn't just bring back the CX-7, they redefined it. With its upscale interior, powerful engine, and sharp looks, it's a strong competitor in the mid-size SUV market. If you want luxury without the luxury price tag, this might be your perfect match. What do you think of the new CX-7? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps us bring you more awesome content. See you in the next review.